In this video, we're going to be doing our first test of the new Philips HR2660 Pasta Maker 7000 series. We'll also show you how we clean the unit and what came in the box. First, we place the mixing chamber to the pasta maker, followed by the mixing paddle and the disc holder. We're testing the fettuccine shaping disc first. Then the front panel secures everything in place by tightening the knobs. If the front panel is not properly assembled, a safety switch will prevent the appliance from working. To check if the water flour cup holds 250 grams of flour. My dad scooped 1 cup of plain flour and leveled it with a knife. It was pretty close to 250 grams. This measurement wasn't necessary though. My dad poured in 2 cups of plain flour into the mixing chamber. He cracked 2 eggs into the cup and poured water until the 2-cup line. Mix the eggs and water well. Close the mixing chamber lid. If the lid is not properly installed, the safety switch will prevent the appliance from working. Power on the unit, select automatic cooking and then press start. After the mixing starts, slowly pour in the liquid along the entire length of the slot in the lid. The mixing took 3 minutes and the pasta maker automatically changes directions while mixing. After 3 minutes, the appliance will automatically start extruding. Using the pasta cutter, cut it to your desired length. That looks like a nice fettuccine to me. In the shaping disc storage drawer, all 6 discs will fit. In this video, we'll be testing all of them. Usually, you'd use all the dough on one disc, but for testing purposes, we're going to be swapping out the discs. The second test is a thick spaghetti disc. I'll definitely ask my dad to make some bolognese sauce to go with this. The third test will be the normal spaghetti disc. This is similar to the previous one, just thinner. My mum would love this one with a seafood marinara mix. Next up is the penne. This is my brother's favorite and we would definitely like it with some mushrooms sauteed in garlic, butter and miso paste mix. Next up is the angel hair pasta. As you can see, it's much thinner than the others. My dad has been looking forward to having this one in a laksa. Lastly, we'll be trying the lasagna sheets. This means we can finally have fresh lasagna for school lunch. The unit will keep extruding until most of the dough is used up. Once we sprinkled a little bit of flour on top, they're ready for boiling. Before cleaning, switch off the power and remove the mixing chamber lid. Loosen the front panel control knobs. Disassemble the shaping disc, the disc holder, the mixing paddle and the mixing chamber. Wipe down the outside of the unit with a microfiber cloth and some cleaning product. For ease of cleaning, let the disc air dry for 2 to 4 hours before removing the leftover dough. Use the cleaning brush and the pin to remove the redundant dough from the disc like so. You wouldn't have to clean all 6 as you typically only use 1 disc per batch. The same process follows for all the other discs. The penne disc has 2 parts, so dislodge them for easier cleaning. For the lasagna disc, just pop the metal part right out of the plastic one. The angel hair has its own pin that fits perfectly into each hole. He then removes the dry dough from the remaining parts and loads them all into the dishwasher. Now we'll show you what came in the box. My dad bought it at $279 for Myer, excluding the $50 cashback. The box had the manual and the usual warranty cards. Inside a bag there were the pins, cleaning brush and pasta cutter. It had 5 pasta shaping discs at the top of the box and 1 already attached to the unit. The unit weighs 6.8 kilograms, and beside it was a measuring cup for the flour and liquid. The cup has 2 markings for 1 cup or 2 cups of flour. The pasta cutter is plastic with a sharp edge. The cleaning tool has a pin on one side and a brush on the other to help remove leftover dough. The angel hair disc has its own pin that fits perfectly into each hole. The 6 shaping discs are spaghetti, angel hair, fettuccine, thick spaghetti, penne, which is in 2 parts, and the lasagna, which also has 2 parts. The shaping disc storage drawer will hold all 6 discs, the cleaning tools, and the pasta cutter. The outer casing is made of plastic with the front panel being metal. The unit consists of the front panel, the mixing chamber lid, which has a safety switch, the shaping disc holder, which also has a safety switch, and a metal mixing paddle. The paddle has been designed to mix the dough evenly every time, and with a powerful motor, it's been designed to extrude smooth pasta. The mixing chamber has been designed to hold up to 500 grams of flour. The unit is 32.2 centimeters tall, 22.9 centimeters wide, and 32.7 centimeters long. It has a 0.8 meter long power cord. It has an automatic function where you just add the ingredients and the pasta maker will extrude. Thank you for watching, and we'll be using this unit to make more pasta dishes in the future, so subscribe to get notified when they're released.